So students, now Q&A time. Okay, so we have learned about power, we have learned about energy consumed, and I have told you that you are going to make it fun at your home also. You can even calculate how much energy you have consumed for a particular device. So here is a question. You can see an electric lamp, okay, is marked as 220 volt, that it is consuming 220 volt and it will only work at this voltage only, okay, and the power that has been used by is 100 watt, okay. Now P is equals to 100 watt here. Okay, it is used for 5 hours daily. Calculate its resistance while glowing and energy consumed in kilowatt hour per day. Okay, that is very good question, I guess. So first of all, we need to calculate the resistance value. So the formula we have read for power, that we are having a 4 things, okay. P is equals to W by T, P is equals to VI, P is equals to I square R, and P is equals to V square divided by R. Remember that? Very good. Now, so the answer for this is as a result. The electric lamp is marked for 220 volt and the 100 watt value is here. So we can say that P is equals to 100 watt and potential difference applied will be, that is 220 volt, even in our homes, okay. Remember that in our home we are only having 220 voltage and the frequency of the current that is coming toward our home is the 50 hertz, okay. Remember that thing also. Fine. So resistance value for the lamp here will be R is equals to V square by P. Yes, I have told you the thing now. P is equals to V square by R. So by here we have cross multiplied R here and P will come here. Okay. So now we are having V square will be 220 multiplied by 220 divided by R, and so that we are having the value of resistance. So you can calculate it easily. That is very easy thing. Okay. Now for the second one. Second is to find the energy consumed in a kilowatt hour per day. So the lamp is being used for the time for 5 hours for a day, okay. We have provided that in question. So here according to that, energy consumed will be E is equals to P multiplied by T. You need to observe the values that what we are having and how we can formulate our question accordingly. You are having 4 such formulas and you can crisscross any value from here to here and find the answer. Okay, and this is so easy that you are directly can find the answer of energy that has been used here. So E will be is equals to P multiplied by T. You are having the value of P also, you are having the value of T also. So you are having 500 watt as the value of that has been used for the energy, okay, for that hour. But we need to ask here for a day, okay. So here we need to calculate it in kilowatt hour per day, right? So per day we are using 5 hours per day. So R is done here, with R we have done here. So we need to convert watt value into kilowatt only. So 500 watt are the term here. So 500 divided by 1000 will gives you the kilowatt value. So now you are having 0.5 kilowatt hour per day value.